Okay, so I am using CRC's GDI Intake Valve and Turbo Cleaner. So, under the advice of my brother Carl, this is kind of what you do. So first you take your engine, take your car out, get it warmed up real good. This is a 2013 Ford Fusion. It is Ford's first, well, I don't know about first, but it's the first Ford Fusion model they did, the GDI engine. And it has carbon buildup issue on the back of the valves. That's pretty ubiquitous with that engine type. So, first thing I did was run around, and this again under my brother Carl's advice, but I ran the car around and got up temperature. And I probably ran around another 10 minutes or so just to make sure everything got warmed up because it is November. And then I just been kind of real slowly trying to keep the engine from dying, but just take my time and do little spurt by spurt. I haven't killed it yet, which is actually kind of surprising. Now when I'm spraying in there too, I'm just putting it in and squirting and then calling that good. I'm actually trying to kind of spray around a little bit so it hits different parts of the throttle body as it hits it. And I'm going to use this whole can here, so this is going to be quite the little process. I don't know if I'll cut out all this or not. I just might stop recording and come back, but it's literally just this. Let's see, and this, I'm supposed to be getting some smoke, by the way. I'm getting a little bit. It smokes a little bit when it hits it. But I'm taking my time. I'm not going real fast. Well, that was kind of longer than usual. Let's see if it kills it. Ah, killed it. So, we're going to go and start her back up.
Outside on web scraping, okay, they come off of URL.
Yeah. So just turn it back on again. So yeah, you just have to, little squirts. And this probably isn't recommended. You take the whole filter assembly off. Yeah, probably shouldn't do that. My brother would be kind of irritated if he saw, no doubt. And I've seen guys where they kind of get the straw and stick it in there, but I'm lazy. Well, you could just grab a screwdriver and take the whole intake off. It's just a lot easier. So, my brother, so normally stuff like this is solvents, like brake cleaner. Like, you know, you hit something and just instantly degreases it and probably gives you about 6 kinds of cancer. This stuff seems to be an oil-based. Now, I don't know if it is a solvent that is also mixed with an oil. And so that way it won't burn up right away after you do a procedure like this and just kind of stays there. That's what my brother kind of thinks. I'd say that looks like it could be absolutely accurate to me. But I don't know. I do know that these GDI engines, if this stuff works, so normally the old solution used to be, and I've went to several mechanic shops. They either say to do an induction cleaning, which, by the way, if you have a GDI engine, or especially an EcoBoost engine, don't ever do an induction cleaning. It will kill your turbo. Or they say, oh yeah, you got to use a soda or walnut shells, and you have to physically clean the back of the valves. And Ford, when it was coming up, they were just suggesting, oh yeah, just change out the valve. You know, that's easy enough. You know, everybody can just do a head job every so often. So, we'll see. This is my attempt at keeping from having to pay $1,600. Ah. Yeah, I hear those fans kick on, so the engine's staying nice and warm, which is what I want. And I'm just taking my time, going slow. Now after this, okay. Yeah. Avoid spraying sideways if throttle body is. No, oh, okay, well I can spray. So according to the bottle, you don't want to spray it sideways.